Hey guys, Nick here with Lux Blades. Today we're going to be cleaning a sports field. I've got our Toro Bullseye cleaner here, and what that's going to do is it's going to decompact the infill. It's going to pick up any loose fibers that's out there, any trash that's out there, and it's going to sift it out and put it into these bins here. And then the stuff that it sifts out, it's going to take the infill and put it right back down. So it's going to decompact the infill, clean the field, and level the infill all in one swoop. And as we're doing this, I'll be checking the field for any ripped seams, any imperfections, something that I might need to warn the coach or the parks director about. So stay tuned.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
I try to stay in the 5 mile an hour range, and this seems like it works really well and gives a better grooming. Just be sure you're staying consistent with your speed too, because consistency is going to actually win the game on this deal. Makes everything look, as long as you're consistent on every part of the project, it's going to turn out beautiful. This is what I found out here. And this whole seam is coming up. So this is going to have to be repaired. You can tell it's been here for a while.
Okay, let's go.
I think this is a coach's worst nightmare and a parks director worst nightmare. You could tell people all day long at the dugouts, no, and they have signs everywhere. No sunflower seeds, no bubble gum, yada yada yada. The list goes on, and look, and you wonder, well, how do you get that? Well, the trick is having your turf power sweep with you, because now I can get in there and get that done.